Right, I want you to put into your search bar Ed Puzzle, and you will come up with Ed Puzzle. So you click on Ed Puzzle, and you come up with that page. All right. Once you're into that page, it's quite easy. Go to Sign Up. I'm a student. Sign up with Ed Puzzle, and then push in your class code. Now the class code can be found on your Science OneNote page for today. There it is there. Make sure that you just copy it exactly. And then you type it in or copy and paste it in, and then you go next. Right, so that's my class. You can see you write your first name, David Armitage. That's your name. And then your username is your name, David underscore Armitage. And how old are you, David? Oh, I'm 12 years old. All right. And then your password, use your password for whatever you use for school. That way you'll remember it. So just for example, it could be Springboks. Let's give it something easy. 45 flowers. I check that that's what I wanted to write. 45 flowers. Yep. And I join the class. And when I get to the class, I see what assignment it is, and I click on the assignment. Once I'm on the assignment, you start the video, and as you go along, it'll stop, and then when it stops, there'll be questions up on the right-hand side. You have to answer those questions. Thank you. That's about it, I think.